Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset mobile network settings on Google Pixel 10 Pro. To do it, you'll need to go to the settings, and this will resolve some issues with mobile networks if you have some. So you can go to System in Settings, then scroll down to Reset option, and now find Reset Mobile Network Settings. You can select whether you want to erase eSIMs. Remember, this won't cancel your mobile service plan, and to get a replacement SIM you'll need to contact your carrier. I won't erase my eSIMs, I'll just reset settings, then enter my screen lock and click on reset settings, and now it's done. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.